This is before the smart beard transplant. As you can see, he don't have any beard here from the sideburn, moustache and the chin here. So we have connected according to what the design he wanted. This is about a year plus now. We can see the result is really amazing. You can see the beard hair is growing according to the flow of the sideburn. Here is coming down like this, then it's going down, pointing this side. The design that patient wants, so now he's very happy with the outcome of the result.
I am so happy with the result, and this is actually what I want. I don't want it to be like too hard, I don't want it to be like too soft, and it looks very neutral. So I am happy with the result.